Here we follow. We'll follow the style. Then we'll follow the body. Inside body, first you have to create two division. ID equal to left block, ID equal to right block. Left block you give, right block you give. Write the CSS for both. As left block, width 25% or maybe 26% and margin 2%. Then float left, then height 400 px, then margin, float height, then box shadow 0 px, maybe 2 px, red color. So it will create which block? Left block. Left side section it is going to create in this way. Look here, मैं लिख के बताता हूँ आपको. I'll write and I'll show you. Left block is ready. Look like little white. I'll remove that. We'll make little 21%. If I take the width 21% and margin as a 2%, total it will consume 25%. 25. 2 to 4, 2% margin left, 2% margin right, 4%, and 21% width, 25%. Total space it is going to consume like this. Next, we need another block that should be in the right hand side. Float left, you have to write for both. Right block is here. Their width should be how much? 25% already have consumed. Remaining is 75. In the 75, give again 71. 71 you can give here. The remaining is, see, no, float left will come one after other. One is here, one will come here. Exactly same, no? How the photo. Okay. Two boxes ready. Okay, so take this CSS and please use that. Try, okay. W3, what it says, have many things as homework. W3 has many things homework, but who see that? After looking also we ignore that, right? After looking into the W3, we ignore that. Okay, let's go next. After that, what we need to do? We need to go under the right block. So please complete this two, left block and right block. If not working for you. Now come to the right hand side. Under the right hand side, we require two division. Division class equal to section 1 and section 1 2 times, and again section 2, 2, 2, 2, how many times? 3 times. Section 1, 1 time, 2 times. Section 2, 2 times. Then section 1 says, section 1 says, section 1 says the margin fee per maybe 2%, margin 2% and 1%. Okay, margin 2%. Then total how many block you want? 2 block. Width will come 50% will come normally, but 50% minus 4. 46 will come. And you can give some certain height. Height total how much you have? 400. So give this one somewhere 150. And then float left is required in this also. Float left is required. And height given, width will be given, margin given, box shadow we need to give, some color, blue color. So 2 block will be ready. 2 block will be ready. As for example like this, 2 block will be ready on equal gap. Okay, now after that, section 1 we can copy. Give us section 2. And in section 2, how many block you want to create? 3 block. So total width will come 33.33% minus 4%. 29. Perfect. 3 blocks will get ready. If I need to explain the margin and padding again from beginning, we have to start the CSS. Sasank. It's coming. 3 blocks. If you have not understood the margin and padding, then you will not understand further. You can leave this batch and join in 4:30. Again, I will be teaching the HTML, CSS. See, at a time, a person has limitation on the brain. If you put a lab 2 places, what will happen? Nothing will happen, no? Listen, I told you in the beginning, after learning the same CSS and same HTML, people are getting, fresher is getting 10 lakh salary. That also company is in the competition to hire. And some people still have not got job 6 months before they have attended the class. Still they are struggling for clearing the interview. So what will happen? At a time, there is a limitation on your brain. Two work you cannot do together. Earning and learning not happen together. Either learning or earning. If you are working somewhere, then excuse is okay. But if you are not working somewhere, then you are not focusing on topic. See in this till now, whichever I have explained, okay, whichever I have explained, whichever we have covered, okay. Suppose today I have written this line, any line you tell me in this, any line, width related, we have example width.html, height related, we have example height.html, float related, we have example ready. Go for which one? Box shadow, you have example. You have created or not? So in here, any line, whichever the line we have written, I have not written directly. For that, we have given a separate example for that. Then we are written. Now, if you are not clear in that, please watch the video. Video is available in YouTube, no? Even no need to open the laptop also. Sleeping time also, you can open the file and see, read that, play the video. Okay, go ahead. No, that way it will not work for you. It is lost, fully lost. So hope this is working. Prithvi, you are from which batch? In this batch, I don't have anyone called Prithvi. Login in 4:30 only. Don't confuse other people. See, it should not be like whenever we want to log in any batch, we can start joining. तो क्या समझाए लोग को इतना प्रॉपर ज्ञान देने के बाद भी कंफ्यूजन रहता है. If you are attending 4:30, go 4:30 only. Log in 4:30. One batch you follow. Don't follow all the batches. No use. Suppose if you give file also, what you will do of that? If you are not understand the line, what is the meaning of that file? No meaning. Okay, go ahead next. I will share this file. test.html file. So this you got idea how it's working. See, there is nothing like repeat again and explain again and take the backup class. If you are not taking the video, then fine, I will teach you on Saturday, Sunday. But if you are taking the video, then person is available with you whenever you want. You can start, you can call me, I will start speaking for you, play the video. Even video, like if you say video is in laptop, I'm not able to carry the laptop. The video is not in laptop. Video is available in your where? Mobile. If you want to download in laptop, download from YouTube, put in your laptop and see from there also. So that much service is available. More than that, your effort only. Suppose you want to get anyone want to get the job quickly. There is also solution. 1 hour, 2 hour, we are attending the class. 8 hours study in home. Within 2 months, you will get job. Thomson router hire from us after JavaScript, after Bootstrap. Thomson router is there, no? Thomson router, one company. They hire after CSS. Once you finish the Bootstrap, last week only email has come. They are waiting. We told them, okay, we have some people, they are waiting. After that, basic of JavaScript plus HTML, CSS, Bootstrap. They give 4 lakh salary. So till now, whatever you have learned, be good in that. Spend 10 hours daily in home. And then what we are designing, you should be able to design. Then you can get the chance. Okay, we can come to our main folder. We were under the which folder? Internal only, no? Under internal template 4 we have made based on some this thing, right? Okay, now we are going to work on, so this all CSS we have applied for the output tags in the template 3. Template 3 also was for the output tag only. Template 2 was also for the output tag itself. Template 4 was for the output tag only. Now we are going to apply the CSS for the input tag, like example for button, for the text box, for text area, for select. Okay, under this file, under the template file. So create next file, template5.html. Template5.html. HTML. Just देखो आप see. If you think like video he has uploaded in YouTube, I will not watch his video, he will get money. That you are thinking in wrong way. Okay, you download that and keep in your system and watch from there only. Okay, else suppose that video is not looking much meaningful, download someone else video from YouTube, or that also you leave. Why to see the video or anything? When we are going on in the class, I'm not skipping particular one. After writing one line, I will be using the next time. So when we attend the class, after attending the class, whenever you have a time in daytime, suppose 1.5 hour you attended the class, after that, again in the morning or evening or night, sit for 2 hours from your side, design something like that, see, copy paste, modify that, play around the code, do modification, do some changes. Okay, that is the way to learn. That is the way only to learn. No? So, everything is in your hand only. How fast and how quickly you can jump in the market. Okay, अब ये नहीं होना चाहिए कि आज जो पढ़े कल भूल गए. You should not learn today and forget tomorrow. That will not give you anything. And definitely you will forget it Okay, I have done psychology honors also. There we have a question, what is the region of forget? Region of forget is only one. If you will not repeat continuous, you will forget it. Okay. I have one technology in my mind, Drupal. 7 till 7 I have worked. 8, 9 has come in the market. Last 1 year I have not touched that. 70% concept I forgot. 70% logic is forgot, where and what to do and where. Okay, remaining things are in practice phase, remember. If you not practice, you will forget, it's clear. Okay, so up to you, how fast you are going to implement and okay, style. Many people have put fake experience and got a better opportunity. Not 5 days, 1 week before, one person is from MBA background. Okay, MBA background. He got the job somewhere 4,80,000 rupees. MBA background is okay, without any experience, nothing. Okay, he attended 10-15 interview calls. One company from Karamangala offered him. He joined last Monday, something. Yesterday only. Yesterday or Thursday, Friday he joined. Okay, MBA background. Knowledge is matter, brother. Knowledge is matter. Okay. So here interview calls will come daily 4-5. Tomorrow I will log in that HR email. I'll show you how often the interview calls will come. Okay. So you will get lot of interview calls, but matter it should not be like attend the interview and come back home. Attend the interview, come back home. Knowledge will not be there. You will come back simply. If you have knowledge, 2 to 3 interview will be enough. इसलिए मैं forcefully बोल रहा हूँ पढ़िए. Forcing you to study that. Okay. Go ahead. So we'll follow the division. ID equal to, or not division. You can follow this one also called field set so that it will be good designed. IELD ACT field set. Field set legend right inside call something contact us. Few basic design we are going to do for the input elements, buttons, text box, text area, drop down. Okay, so in this example I'll follow the table. Next example will not follow the table. So let's create a table also. Table, and this table will be based on directly TR we can follow, and we'll write here for TH your name, next TD, input type equal to text, ID equal to input box. You can keep this one as a class, not ID. Class equal to input box. Some people are serious in such a way, like kind of a company called LG. There our known person is sitting to take the interview. He suggested if the people will clear the first round, second round, third round is under my control. HR is under my control. I will tell him hire him, he will hire. Okay, the person we have worked together last 10-15 years. I know him. Okay, he's the center head of the LG. We sent a study 13 email, 13 profile to the them. 13 people, they have sent the email to 13 people. In some people have given the wrong email ID here. They have email not delivered, leave them. Some people saw the email yesterday 9 o'clock after expiring the link. Okay. From my WhatsApp only, I have communicated with everyone. I am sending your profile to LG. Are you looking for change or you will go for interview? Yes, I will go. After sending me message, your profile is gone to LG, keep checking your email. 9 o'clock, one girl is calling, sir, email link is expired. I told, great. That is called golden upper.
కాదు నాకు.
After sending the profile, we inform, okay, profile is not in your email, link will come for online test. What will happen? Okay. Whoever are serious.
ఏమో నేను దానికోసం ఈ సిఎస్ఎస్ ఈ వీక్ అయిపోదు అనుకుంటా, ఇంకా ఇంటర్నల్ చేయలేదు.
Okay, written. Let's go ahead now. For this input box, will not write any CSS. For field set, also leave it. Directly we know how to write the CSS per tag. Right here. For the field set. Field set. Now for field set, you can check once how the field set look. How the field set look using CSS, what you can modify that. The field set by default, how it's looking. Field set is by default something like this. By default, it will cover the full width. That is the default of field set. Now CSS we are going to apply for the field set, saying like you don't go full width, take the up to 400. Take up to 400, or don't take the 400. Take it auto, apply the width here. But again, if you say, okay, hold on. Apply the width somewhere 400 px and apply the padding also somewhere 20 px. So it will take the 400 width plus padding. So how much space is required this field set to run? How much space is required to run this division field set? 400 you have given the width. Padding, what it will do? Only padding. Where and where? Left and right also, no? So left 20, right 20, 40, and 400 is the actual width. So how much? Nearly 450 is required. 440 is required. Then only this field set will work. Check now. Margin auto will come and it will give you something like this. Next, after that, right call. Something again, box header you wanted to see. Let's go here. Right border, border, border is none. Border is none. So what will happen? No border. Border will not come. But if the border will not come, we want to apply the box header for that. box shadow box header. Keep first number as a 0 pixel, second number as a 0 pixel, third number as a 50 pixel, and color as a blue color. Please check from your side. And then change the number. Run the file, change the number. First number is 0, keep to 50, save the file, run again. Again, second number, change to 10, save the file, see again. Last number is 50, change the number, see again. After changing the number, see how and where the reflect is happening. Okay, let's check now. Oh, box shadow you added. See, the shadow is equal from all the side. Okay, now I will change the number, the last number, to something, 20. Last number we change to 20. After changing the number, see the density was this much. Let me rephrase the page. Something happened, some changes happen. Earlier, the density, the shadow was spreading in 50 pixel surrounding. Now the shadow is spreading within how much? Which one we are given? 20 pixel. So surrounding this division, close to 20 pixel of the area, the shadow will get spread. That is called density. Till where you want to spread the shadow, last number. Color is the blue color, no doubt in that. Now I am changing the second number as a 40. See what will happen. Middle number we change to 40. Look at here. From where it's reflect? The second number reflect from the top. Second number reflect from the top. Shadow is coming down. If you want to send the shadow up, then what you have to do? Minus you have to put. Plus means top to bottom. Minus means bottom to up. Look at there again. Moving to the where? Upside. Okay. So middle number we understood. What it will do? It apply the shadow from top to bottom and bottom to up based on either positive means positive number top to bottom, negative number bottom to up. Second, first number. Let me keep as a 20. Okay, so this is the 40. So what it will do? From top to bottom shadow will come. Last is 20. The shadow will get spread within the 20 pixel. Color is blue, no doubt in that. After that, first number is what? 20. Let's look where it's come from. You can see it's shifting little right hand side. So the first number reflect from left. Second number reflect from top. Using first number, you can shift your shadow either in the right side or left side. If you give in minus, then it will come in the left side. If you give in plus, it will go to the right side. Using second number, you can shift your shadow top or bottom. Negative will move to where? Up. And positive will move to where? Down. Okay. And last number is for what purpose? Density. Till how much area you want to spread that. Okay. The last number says till where you want to spread. So we say, okay, 20 pixel. Let me keep 100 pixel. See what is happening. 100 pixel. See, it's got a spread within the 100 pixel everything. That is called shadow. Go next now. Let it be that much. Come down. Now we have there something called field set. Field set has a tag called legend. So let's write directly for legend, legend. Legend should be okay. Background, some color, highlighted color, green color. After that, we have seen yesterday margin related short code. Now we will apply the padding related short code. First number reflect from the top. Example 10 px. Second number reflect from left and right. So suppose given is 30 px. The last number reflect where? In the bottom. See now. Anything is happening. Background, color, and padding. Book written. See how that look. Okay, let's go next. After that, next we need to write the CSS for this text box. So what is the class? Input box. Dot input box. Dot input box. Dot input box. Keep height of the input box. Height of the input box 30 px, and the width of the input box 100%, in the sense full width of your table. Height got increased, width is not increased, width remain same, because you are given input box width as 100%. Now see, input box is where? Input box is inside the TD. TD is inside the TR. TR is a part of table. For table you are not given any width, so it will take the content size. Right here, one line. Table width 100%. Width colon 100%. Now 100% meaning is how much here? Here 100% meaning is the table is a part of field set. Field set. So table is a part of field set. So if we say table, you take 100%. 100% means the table cannot go somewhere else and take the full width. Table will look for their parent. What is the total area? So for the parent, total area is 400. 400 plus 42. So 42 is the space. The table will not get spread in that 40 pixel. 40 pixel is the gap inside the field set. Look at here. Can you see this space here? This space, bottom space, that is of how much? 40 px. So excluding that, padding, what is the theory of padding? See here, I given the full width. So what is happening? It is not covering the 440. It is covering only 400, whereas 20 pixel is in the left and 20 pixel is in the right. You are not given margin, you are given the padding. Padding apply the space inside. So your content will appear not including that 40 pixel, excluding the 40 pixel. Okay. So 440, the width is required completely from here to here. The width is 440 only. But inside the 440, 40 is 20 is left, 20 is right inside the table. And the available space is only 400. The 40 pixel is a gap. Okay. So now see, text box become little better. After that, here, when you click under the text box, you can see a different kind of line is getting appear. Okay, that is not called border. That is not called border. That is not called box shadow. It's called outline. Outline. That is a property called outline. Okay. Outline is a default that is coming from your browser. If you open the same page in a Mozilla, outline will be different. If you open the Chrome, the outline will be little different. Okay. So here, for it should not be different according to browser. So what we'll do? Outline will make as a none. No outline for anyone. It should not look different in the Mozilla, should not look different in the Chrome. So we say, okay, outline. After clicking that, there should not be any effect. So ready? Now after clicking in that, are you getting anything? No lining at all? Remain same after clicking also. We want to change according to our ways. So you have seen yesterday, before, we have used a property called before, we have used a property called after. We have used a property called hover till now. Hover. There is another property called focus. Focus is only for the input element. Focus is only for the input element. That is called text box, text area, password field, email ID, mobile number, button, select. For that it is applicable. Which one? Focus means where you click, your cursor blink there. Okay, for that focus is applicable. And hover, before, after, it's applicable for all. For text box also hover, after, before is applicable. Okay, and extra thing is called a focus. So we'll write here dot input box colon focus. Dot input box colon focus. Dot input box colon focus. Right inside border maybe 1 px or 2 px, 2 px, solid red color. Hope written. Focus. Check now. Once you click under the text box, something happened. Earlier hover was, that was called outline, and this is called as a border. So that becomes a customized. So in every browser this will work. Come down after that. So hope working till here. Yes, no, reply has not come. Okay, now come to the HTML. Copy this MTR, paste again. Enter your email ID. Input type equal to email. Your mobile number. Input type equal to number. Check now, all are looking similar. Hooks and CSS apply everywhere. But between two TR, we need to give some gap. Between two TR, we need to give some gap. So what we will do? Not BR. CSS is there. Why BR? Find the TR table. Find the TR. And in TR, apply some margin bottom. Or maybe increase the height of the TR. Increase the height of the TR somewhere 50 px. Automatically gap will come. Height got increased. Enough now, 40 pixel, 50 pixel height. Okay. Now, hope we can understand the box shadow meaning is what? Box shadow. See, you have given the number here. Where is that? From left side, 20. From top, 40. Density how much? 100. So you can see this is shifting from left to right little and from top to bottom little. Okay. Come next. Now after that, we need to create one, not button, one text area. Text area. And to understand how to call two classes together. Create a text area. Create a text area. Your message. Okay. Text area. See, if there is an open challenge. You learn in better way. Whatever you learn, don't forget that. In that, 20% is excuse for everyone. From beginning to last in the syllabus, whatever you are going to learn, 20% to forget. No doubt in that you will forget. Even everyone will forget. Remember 80%. End of the syllabus. You are not getting the job. You let me know. I will help you personally. I have a lot of reference in the market. Okay. Without interview, will guide you to get the offer. Okay. If you have the knowledge. Okay. But you need to remember the syllabus, what you learned. More than that, you don't need at all. That is more than enough to survive in the market. The people who remember 40%, they are surviving in the market easily. Many people are there who have learned from it. They are team lead now, but in the syllabus, what we have, they don't remember that all. I know how much they have knowledge and they have become a team lead. Okay. So that's what we learn in better way. Prove yes, you have understood everything properly. You capture the knowledge, everything. 20% in that minus it. After that, attend some interview. If you are not getting chance, you let me know. I will help you. Okay. And if you get the knowledge, nothing to wait. No need to call someone. Automatically, opportunity will come in your hand. Okay. देखिए. Hope done like this. Now we want to increase the height of this text box. Increase the height of the text box. So say you have written in this class input box. What are the things we have written? Look at in the browser. Number one, width is coming bigger. On click, effect is getting applied. This should remain same. Only now we need to increase the height of this. Suppose this should like this only. This should be like this. Just we need to increase little height. We need to increase little height like this. Okay. So once you click here, the effect should remain same. Width should remain same. Only height should get increased. So for that, we are not going to leave this class. If you leave this class, then you will not get effect, extra effect. Extra effect should remain same. Only we want to increase the height. So call another class here, called big box, big box, big box. We can call more than one class separated by a space. From one class, some feature will come. From another class, some feature will come. Both will get combined together and it will. We have to write this big box class still. Okay, write a class called big box, give the height 70 px. See what will happen. Write a class. Okay, big box class we have written. Big box class. What is the height in that? We wrote the height as a somewhere 70 px. Check now. The height will come from the big box, width will come from the input box. Effect will come from the input box, only height will be maintained by big box. Not working? Working. Look like little idle. Learn. Once you learn and become a developer, then you, what we say, like suppose a person who is not working somewhere, he will not understand his value. Same person will get an offer letter tomorrow. Okay. Then he will get to know what is my value. Right? So see, everything remains same, width remains same, height got increased. Bootstrap is based on this formula only. Inside the Bootstrap, what you are going to learn, lot of classes are written. Some class is for height purpose, some class for width purpose, some class for radius purpose, some class for, you can say, border color purpose, some class for left align, right align. So all small classes are there. So we will be remembering the list of classes. And after that, we will remember, okay, you want to apply border, call the border class. You want to apply the margin, call the margin class. You want to apply padding, call the padding class. Okay. You want to display the image, call the image class. Correct. And multiple classes separated by a space you can apply, and all the class will give some impact. Okay. All the class will get combined together and it will give something. Okay. So button is ready now. After, sorry, text box is ready. Now we need to create a button below. Come down. Write a TR. Inside TR, you will follow a button. TR, follow a TH. TH, inside the TH, false span should be 2. False span should be 2. Button. Write just simple send message button. If you want to create ID, we can create. We can write class. We can write tag name. Any method we can follow. Let me follow ID. My BTN or maybe BTN only. ID is a BTN. ID is a BTN. Okay, so let's come down. Let's go to the CSS block. And in CSS block, we will write the CSS for this ID, called BTN ID. When the page will load, button will look different. When the mouse will touch, button will look different. When you click on button, button will look different. Okay, 3 type of effect we can apply. So first write the default structure. Button code, hope we have written it. I will share the code in the chat. ID is a BTN. We can go here. Has BTN. Inside height, not height, padding. Padding combination we remember. First number from where? Short code start from top. That is for margin and padding. Margin also first number from top, second number left, right, last number bottom. Padding also first number top, second number left, right, and last number bottom. Okay, so we can count like this. Okay, so 8 pixel, then keep somewhere 20 pixel, keep as a 8 pixel. Now what it will do? The equal height from top, equal height from the bottom, and equal height in the left and right. Okay, in case if you put here call padding, the first number is a 20, last number is a 8. Okay, check first now this. What is happening? Your button become little wide and heighted or not? Button should be little wide with a little more height. Button is wide with more height. Something like this. Now in this, the first number, keep it 40 and see what is happening where it is reflecting. It increased from the top. It increasing from the top. See, when I go here, it's increased from the top. Button becomes something else. So for that, the first number and the last number should be equal. Then top bottom will be equal. Okay, next right. Background. Some blue color you can give. Then by default border will come 1 pixel from all the side. Keep as a none, no border. Next, after that, when the cursor will go to the button, cursor, it should convert into pointer. When the cursor will go on button, it will convert into pointer. Pointer, cursor colon pointer. After that, color should be in white color. Check now how button looks. Background should be blue color. Color should be white color. Little height more wide. And after that, when the cursor will go there, will convert into pointer symbol. Hello. Ah. Hmm. Hmm. Thank you, sir. Do some other business here. Okay. Something like this. When the cursor will come here, how it look? Look like this. Let's go. The 8 pixel from top is very less. Convert into 10, and here also keep as a 10. Adding 10 px, 10 px, 20 px. Okay, so height got increased little. Let's go. Now write hash button colon hover. Hover means when your mouse is going to touch the button, what should happen? Change the background to red color and check once. As your mouse will touch the button, background will convert into red color. Red color. Mouse will touch the button. Button color should convert into red color. Here. Red. After that is called hover. Let's write again. Another property called focus. Colon focus. When you click on that, background should convert into green color. Button colon focus, different background. Button colon hover, different background. Go ahead. Check now. When mouse go here, red color. Once you click on button, green color. And once you click outside, again it will convert into different default color. All hover focus. So this all what you wrote. The hover focus before after. So these are 3 properties. Okay, hook working. Next, after that, apply some border radius to this division. Field set. Field set. Border radius we have seen in the inline CSS. Inline CSS. We have created some example border radius. You have a file called border. In that only maybe you have created the border radius. If not created, then check now. Look at here. We can go to the field set. Yes, no, please reply. It's looking similar. Something else. Have a look into the code once. Button code. On click, red color. On click, green color. On hover, red color. So hover, focus, those all are the property of CSS3. Okay, go next to the field set. Inside the field set, apply a property called border hyphen radius. Border radius. Border radius, first keep 30 pixel. See how that look. It will apply the equal radius in all the corner. It will apply equal radius in all the corner. Equal radius in all the corner. Equal radius in all the corner. Equal radius got applied. We want to make it a non-equal. So for non-equal, what we will do? Look at here. The first corner, first number will go to the top left corner. Okay, top left, like this side of the projector. Second corner, suppose 50 px, will go to that side. Where? Right and then top. Okay. The third number will be there. Right side bottom. There. Right side bottom. Okay. Fourth number will be bottom and left. Work like a clock. Starting from top left, ending to the right bottom, bottom left. Okay. First number top left, second number top right, third number right bottom, fourth number bottom left. Okay. So you can give equal also, you can give non-equal also. If you give only one number, it will be for all the corners. If you give four number, then it will be splitted into the sequence. Zero 50 0 50, something like this. Zero 50 0 50. This will become how to apply the CSS for the input element. Now you have some photos inside, text boxes are there. Text boxes are well organized using CSS. You need to apply the CSS now. Rohit Kumar, you are in Bangalore only. You should come here, यार.
यस सर.
बैंगलोर से बिहार से बैंगलोर आ गए तो दूर नहीं लगा है, और फिर रूम से इंस्टीट्यूट आने में काफी दूर लगता है, बताइए.
नहीं नहीं ऐसा नहीं है.
है कि नहीं? 2000 और लगेगा बस फिर, और क्या. घर ऑफर लेटर के जाना है कि बिना ऑफर लेटर के जाना है?
ऑफर लेटर के साथ जाना है सर, बिना ऑफर लेटर के जाना ही नहीं है.
गुरु जी का बात सुना कीजिए टाइम पर, फायदा
यस
कर.
सर.
ठीक है, 2-3 दिन में कोशिश करो आप इधर आने का.
ओके सर.
The people who sit here, they will have eye contact. They will look into the projector. They will have problem. I'll go and fix there. If you are not here, then no problem. Manage it. But if you are here, come here. Utilize the resource. Okay. 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 So this is working fine. Now related to this, I'll give you some 2-3 photos. Only for the input element. How to apply the CSS for input element. Some well designed photo, well designed text boxes and all. Okay. You need to do R&D for that. That photos are designed using the Bootstrap. Maybe exact 100% you cannot do, but 90-80% should match. Okay, so first let me share this file. This file has come to your chat. Now I will share you some photos related to it. So go to the assignment, and do the assignment, Bootstrap, project page. Now let's look. Okay, so this you can see now how smooth it is. Okay, so this is one photo for you. One photo. Okay, maybe table or something you need to follow, but try like that. One more photo I'll send you. This one was the same. Project pic. WhatsApp now I can't connect. This one. After some time, that is for 9 p.m. Okay, so this, let me modify this file little and work on only one file. Except somewhere in the project folder. Assignment. Project pick. Now let me show you. Okay, one photo is came in the chat. This is the second photo. This is the second photo. And after that, this is the third photo. Okay. So I will keep all in one place. Two photo. It was here under the assignment only. The first photo I have sent you from the project pick. This one was that. I will send you this 3. P4. Folder. That is on 11:30. Sit. This. Only 2 is copied. One I must out from there. In assignment. Pick. Okay, this will send you in a chat. If you are able to download, you can download it. Else in WhatsApp, I'll send you afternoon or evening. Okay. 5 photo came in chat, you can try. Send the candidates where we have requested for online test. ओके देखो जिसको बिलीव नहीं होता है आप मैसेज देखिए मेरा इट इज लाइक द पर्सन द इज आवर नॉट पीपल टुडे वी हैव सेंड द रिक्वेस्ट फॉर ऑनलाइन टेस्ट फॉर योर इन्फो नाउ रेगुलर फॉर रेगुलर also need resumes. Now for regular also need resumes means always they have opening. Whom? LG software. After that immediately opening for React. मतलब कि अभी React का opening immediately है. बाकी remaining openings are regular, so he will keep calling, contacting. Okay, he is the head of Bangalore. He is a known person only. So he learn in the proper way. Hello sir. नमस्ते सर. हाँ